Hello everyone, it's Naoki here. Today, I want to show you how to make pixel-style image in Adobe Illustrator with Naoki Studio's original character, Nate. Let's get started. So once you open Illustrator, let's place the Nate character in the workplace. Then, let's reduce the opacity to 30%. Before I start anything, I would like to set up the layer here. What I do is add another 2 layers on the top. Then I'll name the top layer as an outline, and second layer is a fill, and bottom layer is original. Then lock original layer. Then stay in outline layer, and first place I want to go is rectangular grid tool, which is here. It's usually under the line segment tool. Once you got rectangular grid tool, click anywhere and get this pop-up window. And the place you need to go is the horizontal dividers, and put the number 60, and go to the vertical dividers, put number 60 as well. Then click OK, and you get the grid over here. Then with the selection tool, grab the grid and adjust the size of the grid. Now, once you have a grid, let's make outline. To make outline, you need to go to the live paint bucket, which is this one. Okay, once you select the live paint bucket, select the color, then start tracing on the line. If you mistakenly fill the wrong place like this, go back to the swatch window and select the color None. Then trace again to get rid of the color. Okay, I think I got the outline. So next thing I need to do is get rid of all these grid. To do it, keep selecting this grid, then right click and ungroup. Then once you ungrouped, go on the top and select object and live paint and expand. Now you have only outline. But if you come closer look each line, you can slightly see the line in there from the grid. I'm not happy with that, so we need to get rid of these lines. How we do it is select this outline and get the Pathfinder. If you don't have a Pathfinder, go on the top window and Pathfinder. And once you have a Pathfinder, select Unite to combine all together. Now you don't see any line up there. Okay, next thing is let's fill the color. Okay, so now keep selecting the outline and go to the fill layer. Then let's get back the original layer. Now, I already made the color palette for the Nate. So let's use this and go to the live paint bucket. Then select my Nate palette and start filling. Okay, almost there, but I couldn't fill in this bottom area with a live paint bucket because the object was not closed. So in this case, I'm gonna use the blur brush tool. Okay, looks good to me. Let's compare between the original image and pixel image. Now, so this is the original image and this is a pixel version of the Nate character. It looks fun. So this is how to make pixel style image in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.